Alright, so it's later at night. I just came out to kind of look at the Porsche a little bit. Started taking stuff apart, and this is my taillight, and this thing, oh my god, look at that. That right there is so dirty. So, this is, OEM. Nice and metal. Then it's got the plastic lens cover. And, wow, this thing, all the seals are like blown on this. Look at, all these are so corroded, so I need new taillight seals at least. I might do something with these taillights, I don't know. Like, obviously, if I stick with these ones, I'll restore these. Yeah, that is something. But, yeah, look, ooh. These things have seen some use, that's for sure. Like, ooh. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna keep taking these off. I think I might take the whole light assembly and try and get the bumper out, maybe. We shall see where we go from here. But kind of just the start. That looks so. There's the wiring. And this light bulb right here. That light bulb, the base is still in there. The glass bulb, wherever that went, right there. That just came out. And so I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take the other one out, probably the center piece, and then also start working on getting this bumper off. So that's where we're at. All right, so those are the screws for the taillights. Half of them are missing, though, and this is what we're working with here. So this is the wiring, and which already, that looks so bad. I don't know. That's got to be like original, and it's old wiring, that's for sure. But then it's got paint all over it. Paint from, I'm guessing, the body. I mean, look. Paint and I don't think it's duct tape. I think it might be painter's tape, like tape for what goes where. You can see, look at that. It's got paint all over it. That matches the body. I mean, look. Ugh. Anywho, these surfaces look pretty bad as well. The seals on the taillights themselves, or what's left of them at least, half the seal was missing, and then this is all corroded, well, not corroded, but it's bad. And so that's the taillights out. I will work on the centerpiece as well as the bumper now. See if we can't get that off tonight. And then, yeah. So, let's keep going. Alright. That was fun. I have one exhaust tip now, by the way. I accidentally ripped the other one off when I was towing the car one time. Towing the car here, actually. I ripped the exhaust off. Anywho, that's a bumper. This thing, it's like solid metal. This thing's heavy. Heavy. And that's it without the bumper on. That's a spud. Hi. Hi. Anywho. Yeah. Ooh. Porsche. Yeah, that's it though. I still the sides on at the moment. I gotta take those off next. Should be a little bit easier now that the main bumper's off. But yeah, I gotta take that middle light out as well. Wow, everything on this car is in pretty bad shape. So I'm gonna have a good amount of work to do with kind of restoring metal, so to say. Like, ugh, doesn't look that great. But I think I should be able to, that should be good to be saved. There's a lot that Don't mind that. That was for these side pieces, which are just absolutely stuck, rusted on. And I had to break the bolts holding the, or like the little tabs that hold the harmonica kind of deals on. I had to break the tabs on the back side. Use the hammer, just pop them. But yeah, so next up, we gotta get the center light out, the side pieces off, and I think I might want to take the trunk off as well. Yeah, so let's keep working.